Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials, an alternate email and a fresh browser session. Open incognito or a new profile so no Google data autofills. This prevents forced phone prompts. Create or confirm a secondary email you control. This becomes recovery. Once done, navigate to accounts. Google. And choose Create Account. Enter name, username, and a strong password. Make sure to avoid recycled usernames used across Google services, because uniqueness reduces verification friction and keeps the process smooth. When Google asks for a phone, look for try another way or skip options. Sometimes email verification is offered instead. Use your alternate email to receive verification codes, check spam, and refresh. Fill required fields like birth date and gender honestly. Inconsistent details can trigger extra checks later. If asked for CAPTCHA or additional confirmations, complete them patiently. These step-ups verify you're human. Once the account moves past verification, make sure to add recovery options in settings to avoid future lockouts. Finish by securing the new account. Add your recovery email and set up two-step verification using an authenticator app. This replaces phone dependency. Once done, review account settings and privacy options. Make sure sync and personalization match your preferences. If Google blocks creation, wait 24 to 72 hours and try again from a different device or network. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear cookies or use a VPN set to your country. This often resolves mismatched region checks and reduces prompts for phone verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.